I'm a daughter of the sea, but I can transform to human form. So whenever I'm coming out to be with the humans, I turn into human form. Sometimes at like market days, or you can see that whenever the market is crowded, we are also part there. We are also in there, going around buying what we want to go back. If I'm not mistaken, I've helped pastors up to 10 or 15. Those who come to me, yes.
In Ghana?
Yes, and some from outside.
But what does your power do? Does it open the eyes of the blind? Does it raise a dead?
Yes.
Or what does your power do?
Even any kind of sickness they bring to the pastor, it can help the pastor to cure it.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. I know myself and I can beat my chest.
No, me actually, which what I know about you.
I have a lot, not half in it. Like I have a lot.
Anyone
especially when election is like approaching, they come for powers and they come for like protection. You know, before you go into politics, you have to be strong. It's not an easy. So they come to me and I help them.
The other time I went to beach at Osu, then we found a mermaid, a human being in the form of a fish. You could see the tail. This fish has the tail of a fish, but the fish has hands, and you could see the face looks like a human being. Then many guys were drawn to the scene. Many were of the view that we should beat it to death. Others who said it was a sacred animal, that we shouldn't touch it. That's the real mermaid, or the daughter of the sea, or the son of the sea. Now, I have in my studio a woman I invited from Upper East, who is a daughter of the sea. Upon my encounter with what I saw at Osu Beach, the fresh mermaid that came to the shore, has been the reason why I invited this woman to my studio, to have a proper conversation with her. This is Too Much Age. If this is your first time chancing upon our platform, please subscribe to our page and press on the bell so that whenever I make any upload, you'll be the first to be in touch. Anything we are going to say here, or anything my guests will be saying, I have no idea. It is new to me. So I would like you to be responsible for every action you take. Join me as we welcome her onto our platform. Dr. Obesi, you are especially welcome to our platform.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good. Yes, thank you for honoring my invitation again.
It's my pleasure.
Yeah. I had an encounter at Osu Beach where a fish came to the shore. Then we caught the fish because he could not swim any longer. We saw he had a human head, then the feet was the tail of a fish. But this fish has hands and the face of a human being. But you here claiming to be the daughter of the sea, you don't have the head of a fish, neither do you have the tail of a fish. So how are you a daughter of the sea?
Okay, it's true. I'm a daughter of the sea, but I can transform to human form. So whenever I'm coming out to be with the humans, I turn into human form. Maybe the mermaid you saw, like, what am I going to say, came out
unprepared.
Unprepared. Maybe he wasn't coming out for people to see him or her, but it just happened like that. So for me, I've come out to be with him, and so I have to turn to human form. But whenever I'm going back, I'll turn to a mermaid before I go back to my parents.
Now, why do mermaids come on the earth and they don't stay in the sea?
Yes, we love coming out, and you know, because people will be scared when they see a person with two different kind, like fish and human form.
Yeah.
But sometimes at like market days, or you can see that whenever the market is crowded, we are also part there. We are also in there, going around buying what we want to go back. So we love being outside. So, but we don't come out in a mermaid form.
But what is the joy what's the purpose for you coming to the earth?
That's our life. We are being kind and we like we love being with people like human beings. You know, because we are not always outside. So when we come outside, we feel it. We feel it.
But now I want to find out, do you give power to pastors?
Yes, I give power to pastors.
Fake pastors or real pastors?
Real pastors, not fake pastors. I don't even know they have fake pastors and real pastors. I give powers to pastors. And it helps them. Like you have a church and you want your church, like people to come to your church, always the church will be full. I will give you a Bible that you will use. But that doesn't mean I have a Bible. It's also like the Holy Bible that
spiritual Bible or physical Bible?
Physical Bible is the Holy Bible.
Do you have the Bible with you?
I have the Bible with me. It's here. The Holy Bible.
Can I touch it too?
Oh, you can feel it.
Thank you.
Don't be scared. I'm not harmful to people.
Now, but giving them the Bible,
yes,
to win souls to the Wata kingdom or to win souls to God?
No, to win souls to God. Not to, like, I'm out to help, but doesn't mean that if I help you turn to a Wata or you turn to Maami Wata's son or daughter. No. If I want people to turn, like we want people, I and my mother to turn to Maami Wata, then just a twinkle or just one day, it's not even up to one day, because there's no day a human will survive without water. And water is everywhere, so we can just make it anytime we want for everyone to turn to Mermaid or Maami Wata family. But no, if I help you, that's all. I'm out to help.
Okay, I wouldn't like you to mention any pastor's name, but can you number the pastors who have helped so far?
If I'm not mistaken, I've helped pastors up to 10 or 15. Those who come to me, yes.
In Ghana?
Yes, and some from outside.
But what does your power do? Does it open the eyes of the blind? Does it raise a dead?
Yes, yes.
Or what does your power do?
Even any kind of sickness they bring to the pastor, it can help the pastor to cure it.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. I know myself and I can beat my chest.
No, me actually, which what I know about you.
Those who come to me, yes.
In Ghana?
Yes, and some from outside.
But what does your power do? Does it open the eyes of the blind? Does it raise a dead?
Yes, yes.
Or what does your power do?
Even any kind of sickness they bring to the pastor, it can help the pastor to cure it.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. I know myself and I can beat my chest.
No, me actually, which what I know about you.
Short videos I have with people that I help.
Does your help have any side effect?
No, no, no. We don't share blood. Maami Wata doesn't take blood.
You don't kill?
We don't kill.
But if somebody wants to kill somebody and the person runs to you, won't you help the enemy of that your client to die?
No, no, no. I don't do that. It's not part of me. If I do that, my powers will go. It won't allow me. It won't allow me.
Okay, I want to ask you the final question. With what is going on in Ghana, and they said politicians are into spiritism, they consult spirits. Have you ever had an encounter, or can you help a politician?
I have a lot, not half in it. Like I have a lot.
Anyone
especially when election is like approaching, they come for powers and they come for like protection. You know, before you go into politics, you have to be strong. It's not an easy. So they come to me and I help them. Like, it's my work to help, not to mention people's name, because if I mention them, then that means I've opened up that person's secret. I help a lot of people. And if you want to know what I'm saying is true, then you have to come to me. Call me or come to me. And I have a problem with people, like if they called and my brother, or they hear the voice of a man or boy, they will hang up. They will think that the person is lying or defrosted. No. You know, when I'm in the shrine doing my work, I don't make calls and I don't do video calls. So when you call and they pick, you have to tell them your problem. They will record it down. When I'm out, then they will give it to me. Then I'll call you down. You explain your problems, then I'll help you.
Why do you put these things on your neck and on your hands?
Anytime I'm going back, you know, wearing this red means I'm very like I'm out for hard work. And anytime I'm going, this powder makes it like, it's like I'm always kind. So anywhere, like going back to my parents, like coming out white means I'm very pure.
Very pure.
I don't know whether you understand what I'm trying to say. Like putting white things makes that I'm not evil. So
but the red means you are out to do hard work.
Hard work.
Okay.
So all my videos I like putting white things so that they will know that I'm out for good.
But now, what goes on under the sea? Do they fight under the sea there? As on earth they fight here?
We don't do that.
Is there peace under the sea?
Very, very peaceful. Very peaceful under the sea. We don't fight. You know, spiritual people, spiritual and physical, we can't be the same. You have different things that you do, and we also have our different parts, and we don't go against our law like you people. So we don't fight.
Okay. Okay. You came with these items. Are they here so that you talk about them?
Yes, yes.
Please, which of the items do you want to talk about?
I have a lot to talk about, but the time is not by my side. Before I can start, I have to tell you about this my mirror. This is the mirror. It's a spiritual mirror.
Please, can you show it to the camera so they see the mirror?
It's a spiritual mirror for spiritual people. If you see like this, if you look at it, you will see yourself. But me, if I look inside, I will see your destiny. So anybody that calls me for help, I have to consult.
But can you demonstrate it with me right now? Can you see me in this way? You can tell me my destiny.
I've not come out for you. So if you want me to do it for you, after this show, I will do it. Okay, maybe you'll be the first person I will use for my short video.
Okay, let's go.
And I have medicine for ladies and men. Those who want big Botox. If you come or you want a big or enlargement for your manhood, I have the cream and I have the powder. You will take it or you use the cream to rub it. And the Botox and the breast, if you take it 3 days, everything will change for you. And I have, and some people are there, they are in America, they are not working, their papers are hanging, they don't get their papers. If you call me and explain to me, I will help you get your papers or get work. And the lottery out there in America, if you want to win a American lottery, call me, I will help you. And I have back to sender for people, like if people are disturbing you, they don't want you to prosper. If you come and I give you this back to sender soap and you bath it, it will turn back to them.
Back to sender soap?
Yes.
Okay.
And I have a padlock here. If I have a problem, court case, and you have a problem with land, and I lock, you come and explain to me and I lock it and throw it to the water, no one can find it to unlock it. And to the women out there, those who are suffering with childbirth, I help people to get children. And there's no day I will help you get a child and the child will be a Maami Wata child or not. No, the child will be like ordinary child, like every child out there. Everything every child will be doing out there, the child will do.
The babies you give to people who come to you are not babies from the sea.
They are babies from the sea, because what I said is that my mother is the one that will give you the child. But there's no day I'll call you back to bring the child for anything. No. Even if you give birth and the child is sick, the child cannot walk, epilepsy. If you bring the child, I will help you kill the sickness.
Okay. I want you to talk about this thing. This thing. I don't know what it is.
This?
Yeah.
This one too is work for court and the land issue too. This one there is for time. If I tie the person down, nobody can untie it.
How do you tie the person down, or why do you tie somebody?
You know, some people are there, like the American people. I heard a lot of them. The women, you marry them, Then after they know that you get money, then they will take you to court that you are abusing them. So if you don't want them to take, because you know America, that they will take all your properties away from you. So I will tie the woman so that she won't take you to court, or she will not win. And that means
powerful.
Yes, that means that the woman wants to deceive you. But if the woman is not lying against you, no, then. But if the woman wants to deceive you and I tie her down, there's no way. And this one too, money drawing oil. If you are a businesswoman, hairdresser, seamstress, every work you are doing, and you want to get money from the work is not coming, you don't get customers. If you take this money drawing oil and you rub it on your body, the next day you go to work, you get a lot of money.
Okay, I want us to bring our interview to a close. Is there any final thing you want to say before we end the interview?
I have a lot to say, but the time is not by my side. It's about the double man I always talk about. Me, I will not call you to come and collect money from you or pay this money that I will give you another money. No. You come, I have a work and the money is not coming to the work. Then I will give you my money drawn oil or the called dollar. Then you go and use, then the money will come to you.
Okay. Then thank you. Yeah, family. I'll be having this discussion with the daughter of the sea. This very beautiful lady claims she comes from the sea, and that's the motive or the reason why I called her into the studio to also have one-on-one interaction with her. I will leave her contact down there, that when you want to call him, you can take his number from the screen, then you call her. And anything she has said here or anything she can be doing, I don't have evidence of it and I don't know anything about it. My purpose for bringing her to this platform is because of what I heard of her and how powerful people claim she is. So now be responsible for your actions before you call her to do anything. This is Tuma G8. If this is your first time chance on our platform, please subscribe to our page and also press on the bell so that whenever I make any upload, you'll be the first to be notified.